Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to use Samsung DeX. So, to get your Samsung DeX, you must have a series of Samsung phone or Samsung Note series phone or the Active Tab series of tabs. So, if you have that, you can just follow the method I'm going to tell you. So, use a USB-C cable to connect your Galaxy device to a monitor, TV or PC. Some devices secure a USB-C dock with HDMI and swipe down from the top of your device's screen to open the quick settings panel. Tap the DeX icon, select the DeX on the TV or monitor and choose your desired display from the list and just tap on start now. And for to enable DeX, if you're using a cable connection, your device may prompt you need to enable DeX. So tap on enable and accept. If you're using a wireless, then select your TV or monitor and set up start now. So to navigate and use your Samsung DeX, just swipe down from the top of your screen and select the use phone as touchpad notification. Then connect a keyboard and mouse to your dock or directly to the monitor or TV to navigate DeX. And DeX provides a desktop-like interface, allowing you to access all your apps, data, and ever run multiple apps simultaneously. So this is all we needed to share with you so that you can use your Samsung DeX efficiently. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.